You know what's funny? As much as we hate to admit it, most of us, we fight and argue with the people who are very close to us. And as per a study, 90% of these fights happen not because of what was said, but how it was said. The tone in which you say something is way more impactful than the words that you choose. Now, this is not something that we are inherently told, but this is something that we learn over a period of time. We learn how to communicate effectively. And guess what? In another research, 85% of success, professional success that is, relies on personality and communication skills, not just technical knowledge. Effective communication even solves tough problems. Are you using yours effectively? Remember, when you're communicating, there are 3 things that you have to keep in mind. No. 1 is the content. What are you saying? No. 2 is the tone in which you're saying it. And no. 3 is your body language. As professionals, we tend to focus a lot on the content, what we are saying, but we don't pay enough attention to the tone and body language. So here's a simple exercise that you can do the next time you're about to make a presentation. Go up to the person who's sitting in the front row and say, "Hi, how are you?" Now, if you say this with a big smile on your face, then it will be very difficult for that person not to reciprocate. It's very difficult for them to say, "I'm not doing well," when you're smiling at them, and they'll probably say, "Oh, I'm fine," or "I'm good." But if you were to ask the same question, the same thing to the same person, but in a different tone, say with a very, very serious face, almost like you're about to burst out crying, then the person will automatically take on a serious tone. They'll be like, "What's wrong? What happened?" The tone and the body language matters a lot. So as professionals, while we're focusing on the content, what we are saying, we also need to work on our tone and body language. If you can do that, become a better communicator, and people will automatically be more receptive to what you're saying. Now, having said all of this, there's one thing that you need to be careful about, and that is you should never, ever use this to manipulate people. You should never use this to play games with people. Only use this to become a better communicator, because that is the ultimate goal, right? Become a great communicator. And if you want to become a great communicator, and if you want to become a better leader, then I have some wonderful news for you, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep learning.